my biggest enemy is myself, and also the C programming language. Okay, so we got a little startup, and can we error in move when sending audio packet? Okay, interesting. So we got two interesting series of behaviors. The first one is that, and the second one, oh man, I am really sore. So let's go back to main, up to teardown, and then it's segmentation faulted. Very interesting. It did not get past the teardown. Why not? Why not indeed? That is our task today. It's seg faulted when doing this. Yeah, not actually what I was after. Why is it trying to do this? So do we allocate the audio input as well? What do we do with all these packets? I think we're just meant to get rid of them. Shit, but no one's consuming them. What happens? Is that a memory leak? If no one's consuming these packets? Where is when encoding an audio packet? Error in when sending an audio packet. So what are we trying to do? We're trying to send to a format? Do we not tear down the format and say that this is not valid? What do we do when we actually deallocate an output? Audio output dealloc. Yeah, we say it's not valid. Why are you still trying to do that? Why are you trying to send stuff? Why you gotta be sending stuff? Who said you could do this? There's only one input processing thread. Interesting. Why is it still going? Why indeed? Error in move when sending an audio packet. Invalid argument. What would that mean? I feel like what this is trying to tell me is that it's still processing input after I've told it not to. That's what this feels like. But why would it be doing that? Let's just make a crash again. That's really interesting. It's clearly a bug. I gotta fix that. Interesting, the same place. The same place. Reproducible. So what weird behaviors did we see there? Yes. Let's see if we can fix this first. They're not going to the same format, are they? They absolutely should not be. I just don't think... I got too much state, dog. You know how it is. I think you just have a little bit of state. And then here you are. Splitting this out into different functions might help, just to navigate it a little bit, but frankly, it's not the problem. The problem is very complicated ownership parameters, where parts of things are owned by different threads. So if we dealloc, do we want to set this to null? Is that how that works? We want this to be null? That's what we do down here. So what we want to do down here? Oh, down here we claim we don't need to. That's probably fair. Maybe it's better to set it to null anyway. It still won't fix our problem though. What else have we got? A in is audio inputs. That's interesting. It's probably fair, I guess. And we can settle those to null. Okay, okay, okay. I'm not entirely sure where to start. Fixing the timer would be nice. Where's the draw rec timer? Output mutex. Oh shit. Do we need to use that? I don't think so. Okay. 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 Okay, it's always the same place. That's extremely interesting, but unfortunately, I think unhelpful. Yeah, this is just to set them up, though. Just to knock them down, as it were. This only breaks when the audio input is invalid. Otherwise, it'll keep going. Reading from the audio input. Error when sending. Like, this is audio output stuff. Why is this getting called at all? This should lock that. Do I need to lock setting that? I don't think so. It should be an atomic, though, frankly. I mean, actually, it doesn't need to be atomic. It just needs to